Hello everyone, this is MD Nuruddin Islam, and welcome back to MN Zone 1, YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are well. Today, Infinix is breaking the 100W charging barrier with a new member of the Note 12 series. The phone also boasts a 120Hz display and a 108 megapixels camera. Alongside it comes another model that will slot in just above the original Note 12. The Infinix Note 12 VIP supports 120W hypercharge. The 0 to 100% charging time is just 17 minutes, thanks to the dual charge pump setup, if you can't wait that long. A quick 10-minute top-up is good enough for 6 hours of gaming or 5 hours of streaming YouTube videos. Below is a chart that shows the steep charge curve used by the hypercharge system. Speed shouldn't be confused with haste. However, the 4500 mAh battery is looked after by 103 protection features in the phone and charger, including 18 temperature sensors inside the phone, according to Infinix. The VIP's battery will retain 85% of its capacity after 800 charge cycles. The phone has a 6.7 inches AMOLED display with FHD+ resolution, similar to the original Note 12 display, but noticeably more capable. This is a 10-bit panel with 100% DCI-P3 coverage and 120Hz refresh rate plus 360Hz touch sampling rate. Another upgrade exclusive to the VIP is that the main camera on the back has a 108 megapixels sensor, 1/1.67. 1.92 micrometers pixels after 9-in-1 pixel binning. Also new is the 13 megapixels ultra-wide-angle camera as well as the laser AF system. The second new model for today is the Infinix Note 12 G96. It is named after the Helio G96, a 12nm chipset 2XA76, 6XA55, Mali G57MC4. This same chip also powers the Note 12 VIP, but the VIP has better cooling with 9 layers of graphene plus a vapor chamber, while the Note 12 G96 has 10 layers of graphene and no chamber. Either way, the G96 will outperform the Helio G88 that is inside the regular Note 12, chipset aside. The Note 12 G96 sticks close to the specifications of the original Note 12. This means that the 6.7 FHD+ AMOLED display lacks a high refresh rate and 10-bit support. Also, the camera on the rear has a 50 megapixels main sensor, 1/2.8, and a 2 megapixels helper, no ultra-wide compared to the VIP. The battery is slightly larger at 5000 mAh, but slower to charge, 33W. The two new Note 12 models have 16 megapixels selfie cameras and XOS 10.6 software, based on Android 12. Also, both have 8 GB of real RAM and can enable 5 GB of virtual RAM, and while both have dual speakers with DTS, only the VIP has dual X-axis linear motors for superior haptic feedback. The Infinix Note 12 VIP will be available soon in select regions at $300. You can visit the official site, which will guide you to a store near you. The Infinix Note 12 G96 will sell for $200. More details at the. So this was our video today. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a like in the video. Keep subscribing to the channel. See you all in the next video.